Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite. To know how to find a solution about Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that you will enter to the window of Facebook Lite. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. If you find you're not installed, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again to fix that problem you have on your Facebook Lite. So please don't forget to support us via like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.